Hello friends, today we are here to introduce how to create and add an expert to the MetaTrader 4 platform. On this page, you can read the steps for creating an expert, step by step. To download an expert, go to the Indicators section of the MetaTrader 4 Indicators section. Download the expert of your choice. For example, I go to the page of this expert and download the expert file for MetaTrader 4 from the download section by clicking on the Buy Downloaded file. I copy the file and go to the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the MetaTrader 4 platform, by clicking on the File tab and selecting the Open Data Folder option, we enter the folder. Structure. We go into the Experts folder, and in this section, we add the desired Expert Advisor file. After adding the expert file to the folder, by clicking on the Navigator option, by going to the Expert Advisor section, we can view the experts we added in the past in this section, or by right-clicking in this section. By selecting the Refresh option, we can view the expert file we just added in this section. And by clicking on the expert file and dragging the file onto the chart, we can run the expert. Just make sure to click on the author command option, enable the auth add-in imports checkbox, and then click the confirm option. In this section, Express has been implemented for us and we can easily use Express. The next important point is that the auto trading option must be enabled. If it's in red in this section, you can click on it to activate it, and after that, you can start using the Expert Advisor. Well friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial on installing and adding an Expert Advisor in the MetaTrader 4 platform. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.